Hey you guys, guess what? I've got the camera tilted up because I've learned how to fly a helicopter. That's right. It's a helicopter. And it has a fancy, very detailed remote. Alright. I've practiced this for about 10 minutes, so I gotta hurry. Gotta turn it on. Put it on the floor because it slides off the table. But I might be able to land it on the table. Let's see. Power on. Here we go. Oh, easy. Get in. Come on. Yeah. Alright, hold on. I'm going to adjust the balance. If I didn't break it. Here we go. Alright. Shit. Alright. This will work. I swear. This time I got her. I got to adjust the... Alright. Damn it. I'm good at this, man. Watch. Easy. 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 Uh-oh. Shit. I'm glad it only cost $10.99. I'd love to have one of those quads or octo things, man. One day that'd be awesome. Anyway, I gotta go. Later.